Let me show you how you can earn as much as 1 million naira every single month from the government, whether you are in Nigeria or you are in the diaspora. People earn that much and more, and now is your turn, because now you are a part of this money community. How do they do that? They invest in FGN savings bond. I will share my screen shortly and show you how you can key in, because the one for this month just opened today and it's going to close soon. And the rates are yummy. By the end of this video, I'm going to share the subscription link you can use to key in into the offer if you're ready to start earning from the government. I am financial Jennifer, an investment banker, a chartered accountant, a chartered stockbroker, and a dog mom. In this community, we're all about investment, passive income, side hustle. See, if that's the kind of your vibe, hit the subscribe button right away. How do you make money investing in FGN savings bond? I will tell you. First, what's FGN savings bond? Let's even understand what this means before we start sharing screen and walking through how you can key in. So FGN savings bond is an investment offered by the federal government of Nigeria. It's basically an attempt by the government to help us save money, right? So the minimum amount is 5,000 naira. Shey, you see, when I say with as little as 5,000, you can invest and make money. So the minimum is 5,000. It happens once every month. I know the one for last month, we discussed it here, and I'm happy that so many of us keyed in. The one for this month opened this week. Normally, it's supposed to be first week of every month, right? But this is an exception. So how does it work? Whenever the offer opens, the tenure is two ways, either 2 years or 3 years. You decide the one you want, right? So when you key in, there's a subscription form which I'm going to show and share with you shortly. You fill the form, you make your payment and submit, because on that form you're going to set and fill in your account details. Whenever it's time for the interest payment, the government, they will send the money direct to your bank account. And talking of interest payment, that's how you make money, because this investment opportunity is going to pay you at least 4 times every single year. Each quarter they're going to pay you, right, is going to be splitted, and this is perfect opportunity for a passive income. In fact, there is a way you're going to arrange it that every single month you'll be getting paid. I shared that in our last video on this topic. I'm going to show you again. The interest rate differs month on month. It can be anything, but recently it has been so attractive. I remember when I joined investment banking, it sometimes you see 7%, 8%, but these days, like this current one now, you can earn as high as 18%, more than 18% safe, and that's because they have increased the MPR rate. So the interest rate has been very amazing on fixed income investment, just like treasury bill. There's a video on that on this channel. After this, make sure you watch it, because the interest rate on treasury bill, for instance, is more than 20% safe. So for this month on, I'm going to show you now the details of it, and after that, you're going to look at the calculator, how you can calculate your interest and how you can take advantage. So this is what it looks like. Offer for subscription, Debt Management Office Nigeria, right, on behalf of the federal government of Nigeria. That here you have federal government of Nigeria savings bond, and this is what the interest rate is for this month. So for 2 years, you're going to get as high as 17.373%, and for 3 years, you're getting 18.373%. Remember what I told you, the interest rate is paid 4 times in a year. So if you invest right now, that means on November 21 you will get paid, on February 21 you will get paid, May 21 and August 21 you are going to get paid. So the offer opens today, August 12th, and it's going to close on the 16th. So for the interest calculation, I know that we did that calculation in our previous video, but for the benefit of those just joining the community, I'm going to do it again. Please, I have one favor to ask. Could you please like this video? It means the world to me. Please, thank you so much. Have you liked it? Okay, so let me show you how you can calculate your interest and how you can structure it in a way that every single month you can be getting paid for the government as high as 1 million naira safe. So this is what the calculator looks like. We are going to assume we'll be investing for 3 years at 18.373%. Remember, with as little as 5,000 naira, you can invest in this. Let's assume that you have 100,000 naira to invest. Let's see what your interest would be. You see, yearly interest, that means you will get 18,737, and paid quarterly. That means this interest now will be divided into 4. Every quarter you'll be getting 4,500, and the total interest you will get after 3 years is going to be 55,119. And remember, at the end of the tenure, you're going to get back your 100,000 naira capital. So let's now say you have, let's assume 5 million naira, right? So for 5 million naira, oh my God, nice. Your yearly interest will be 918,650, and being paid quarterly, each quarter you will get 229,662.50. So at the end of the 3 years, you must have received 2.7 million naira from the government. If you now say, based on Odogu where you be, that you want to invest like, let's say, 10 million naira, oh my God. So each year you are getting 1.8 million naira from the government, which will be paid quarterly for 459. Total interest you are going to make from this is 5.5, and that is amazing. Like I said, there is a way you can structure it that every single month you'll be getting paid, because you know each one you do from the next 3 months is where you will get your first interest. Now, if you invest as little as 3 times in a month, let's say you invest for August, September, November, just go and relax. Just go and relax, because now you've qualified for monthly income from the government. How does that work? Let me show you. So still on our calculator, let's say for this month, you have 5 million naira to invest. Right, so your interest each quarter is going to be 229,000 per quarter, which we start reading from November. You will get paid in November, you will get paid in February, you will get paid in May, for May, and then August. You will get paid in August every 3 months. So for the year, you get 918,000, and it happens for the 3 years before you get back your capital. So let's say next month you do another 5 million naira, and let's assume the interest for next month will drop to 18%. So that means your quarterly interest is going to be 225,000, which will now be paid from December 225 here. In March, you have 225, and just like that, June and September. And then in October, you don't vex, you are enjoying the payments. You now say you will do 10 million naira, and then the interest rate is assumed to have gone up to 18.56%. That means your income is going to be 463, right? So what this means now is from January, you will start getting the interest on this one. Now see something, in November you got paid from the one of August, December you got paid, January you are being paid, February you are being paid, March, April, and so on. Now imagine that you go beyond these 3 months, that you keep doing it every month. In fact, I have clients that every single month they're getting they're investing in savings bond. Now what happens is that each month they can get up to like 4 different alerts from the government based on different months they've invested, right? Some of them make as high as 5 million naira monthly passive income. So now you've seen how it works. What next is for you to subscribe, or you can talk to any stockbroker. If you don't have a broker yet, you can just download Afri Investor 2.0. It's owned by Afri Invest. Like, they are one of the top brokers in Nigeria. That's the one I use. When you download their app, Afri Investor 2.0, automatically they become your broker. Instead of even talking to anybody, there is a link you can use to subscribe. I'm going to show you how it works now. And if you want the link, just let me know in the comments. I'm going to share it with you. So from that link, you will fill your details, your account number, your CSCS. And hey, talking of CSCS now, that is, you need it to invest in any Nigerian offer. In fact, I have a video coming up next. In those that are looking to invest in Nigerian stock, my next video will be on that. Whether you're in Nigeria or you're outside Nigeria, you need a CSCS to invest in Nigerian market. And once you have a broker, it is their duty to create a CSCS for you. It's not your job. So when you download Afri Investor 2.0, automatically they become your broker, and they are the ones to create the CSCS for you. So for the link for you to subscribe for this month, let me show you what it looks like. But before then, please like this video if you've not, okay? I know you're enjoying what you are listening to. For you to still be here, like the video. Let me show you what the subscription link looks like. So like I said, this is by Afri Invest Securities, my stockbroker. You can use this link, FGN Savings Bond, August 2024. When you click on start, it will just take you to where you will fill your details. They will give you a brief info. I accept terms and condition. You click on next. Now they will tell you completed FGN Savings Bond subscription form. Yes, there is a subscription form which you are going to download. If you click here now, you will download the subscription form. The form, like I said, if you need this link, let me know in the comments. I'm going to share it with you. The form basically we have you, to fill your details, your name, your bank details, and information like that. You need your CSCS. Like I told you, once you download the app, both CSS and CHN, they are going to create it for you, and you need to fund your wallet, right? So if you are fine with all of that, if you don't have the app yet, you can click here, open a brokerage account, and you can click here to get it. Within 24 to 48 hours, you are going to get it. So let's click on next, because me, I already have it. Individual account, right? You go on next. What's your name? You type your name. And continue. That is that. It's as simple as that. Once you fill the form, download the subscription form, fill it and submit. That is it. Just go and relax and get ready for your passive income. Another investment opportunity you must not miss out on right now is treasury bills. Like, the rates are exploding. I did a detailed video on how you can key into this step by step. With as little as 100,000 naira, you can invest and earn passive income from government treasury bills. See, you can't be in this community and be missing out on all of this opportunity now. This investment bank are there for you now. On this financial journey, we are in it together, and that's a beautiful thing about this community. We hold each other's hand. So if you've not subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? What I'm going to see you on that treasury bills video right now. I'm going to link it on the description. Go and watch it, because in addition to savings bond, that is also another way you could make good money. You see this money, you must secure it definitely.